I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble reaching out to Webull support, follow these simple steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Open the Webull app. Launch the Webull app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all support features. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will open up various options related to your account. Step 3. Select Help Center. In the menu, look for the Help Center option and tap on it. This section contains FAQs and contact options for support. Step 4. Choose Contact Method. Within the Help Center, you will see different ways to contact support, such as live chat, email, or phone. Select your preferred method. Step 5. Provide details. If you choose to chat or email, fill out the required information about your issue. Be as specific as possible to get a quicker response. For example, if you're having trouble with a specific feature, mention it directly. Now you're all set to reach out to Webull support. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. They're there to assist you.